It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, sponsored by Scooters Coffee and Rescue Towing. Here's your host, meteorologist Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Friday. It is going to be a great day weather-wise here in the Ozarks. It looks like a nice one to get outside. The wind not as strong today as what we experienced yesterday. That's fantastic news because we had gusts up and over 45 miles an hour with the incredibly high fire danger around yesterday. Still breezy today, don't get me wrong, but much lighter winds compared to yesterday. I have high temperatures today that will be at about the upper 60s, low 70s, and winds that will gust to 20 or 25 miles an hour. So still windy, however, not anything compared to what we had around yesterday when those winds were just super, super gusty. You heard the wind, even if you were inside. Another warm one, though, on deck for us today. In fact, I think we get near record territory today. High temperature in Springfield of about 69 degrees. We're going to be pushing 70 in a lot of communities across the region. It will be near 70 degrees, and really, it's just going to be a nice day. Get outside. Enjoy it today because much cooler weather arrives tomorrow. There is a cold front that's going to be pushing into the Ozarks early on Saturday morning, and it's going to drop our temperature for the rest of the work week forecast. I expect that we see unsettled weather as we head into Sunday as well, and there's even a chance for some wintry weather to return, which is almost hard to wrap your brain around when I'm talking about near 70 degrees today and then snow by Monday morning. So things are going to change this weekend. That's the big story for you. Tonight, in fact, there could be a chance that a few of our counties out east have some rain and potentially even some thunderstorm activity. Now, I don't think this happens in Springfield, but anywhere east of Highway 65, that's where we might see a bit of the storm activity. Not severe, but if you hear thunder, don't be surprised. I think it's likely going to happen in the eastern Ozarks. Very isolated in nature, though. Not everybody getting in on those storm chances, and there will be plenty of dry time to enjoy as well. It'll be cooler this weekend, though, too. I told you about that cold front. It gets here early tomorrow morning, so we see high temperatures really take a dive. Highs back into the low 50s on Saturday. There will be some cloud cover with that, a chance for some very light rain showers. And then as we get closer to Sunday, temperatures will be even cooler with highs back to the 40s. And then we see rain change over to snow Sunday night into early Monday morning. It'll be cooler this weekend for sure. Now, we are talking about rain changing to snowfall, and there's the potential, confidence increasing, that this could accumulate a little bit. However, it was 70 degrees in the Ozarks on Friday, or it will be close to that today. And we're talking about snowfall and then high temperatures on Monday at 40 degrees. So while there might be some snowfall on Monday morning, I think we're going to melt a lot of it off in a big, big hurry. And of course, ground temperatures are warming up with the help of the warmth that I'm expecting out there today. So while we might see some snowflakes, and yes, it could accumulate for a short period of time, I think overall it's going to be a minor impact event for us simply because of all the warm weather on the bookends of this event. And next week, we'll start off with the low 40s, but that's not all that unusual for early February. So the weekend forecast, it's shaping up to be pretty nice. Today, high temperature near 70 degrees. Afternoon chances for some cloud cover. And then tonight, I have about a 30% chance for some of those showers and thunderstorms east of Springfield. By Saturday, we're mainly dry in the day. And then Saturday night, small chance for some rain there too. By Sunday, we're talking about the bigger cool down, high temperature of 45 degrees, chance for rain about 50% Sunday night. And I'm expecting that changes over into some snowfall for early Monday morning. So morning drive on Monday. Maybe it'll give you a little bit of trouble. However, we are talking about a whole lot of melting happening with that system. So just make sure you're staying up to date on the forecast and checking back over the weekend. Around the country, what's happening? Well, above average temperatures are the big headline. In fact, near record-breaking temperatures for the eastern half of the nation. I also have winter weather still ongoing for the Mountain West. A lot of the ski ranges getting incredibly cold temperatures and heavy, heavy snowfall at some of the slopes. We've also seen cooler conditions build into the northern plains already. Now that cool down is coming for the Midwest as we head into the weekend forecast. So we are talking about a cooler pattern for Saturday and Sunday. All right, time for that Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather Brain Twister question. This is what I left you with yesterday it was a 50-50 shot. So I hope you entered at aroundtheozarks.com. True or false, Yale research shows that men smile more than women. Do you think that is true or false? Uh, False is the answer. Men do not generally smile more than women. On average, women smile approximately 62 times per day, while the average man only smiles about 8 times per day. That is quite the difference when it comes to smiling. Men are a whopping 7 times less likely to smile than women. I would say that's true from personal experiences and the people that I know. Um, However, they went a little bit further into this study and they actually looked at amount of smiling with coworkers that had the same job, and at least on the job site, they found that men and women smiled an equal number of times. I know myself, I can give the even if I don't like what I'm hearing, I might be smiling, but that's not what I'm thinking. Maybe women are a little bit better than that. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Here's your brain twister question that I'll leave you with for Monday morning. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so I had to get to this one. What city hosted the coldest Super Bowl ever? Do you think it was A, in San Francisco, California, B, in Detroit, Michigan, C, in Minneapolis, Minnesota, or D, in New Orleans, Louisiana? Take your guess. You can do that around theozarks.com. What's up for grabs is a $20 gift card to Scooter's Coffee. So make sure to enter that contest there. While you're there, check out the forecast. We're keeping that up to the date all weekend long. So you'll want to check that and make sure you know what's going to happen for Monday morning with some of those snow chances. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. I hope you have a fantastic time on Super Bowl Sunday. And I will catch you right back here on Monday morning to talk about snow, probably in the forecast.